In the quiet streets where we used to walk. Sondo AI, where a music video generator is also here. Now, no need to go for editing in a complex step. Just come on this one platform where you can also put your music and video will be generated according to that. And here you can also check some more example how it looks and dear what the creator saying about the Sondo. This is something really crazy and we are going to share about it. So now first we have to create the account using free trial here. Using Google or Apple ID you can easily continue on it. After logging to this dashboard you can easily check here is AI MV Studio AI Audio Lab where you can easily give idea and your blossom idea into music will be generated. We are going to come on it and here we are going to providing first of all the lyrics. Here we can also go for basic to advanced, put the song of lyrics and then there's also the current style you can easily select generate. That is also some romantic. And then we can also choose the category here, like there should be rap, hip-hop, there's jazzy, and there is also many other. We can easily select one of them. If you go next one is also the other option to go for a title. Yes, this is also my account. I'm going to using here some male, so I'm going to click on the create option now. Or you have also another option to go with the female too. So now I am going to select a female and click on the create and music will be an output. Music is now ready. We can easily check out if we click on it. Output is also here. You can check out. Here's the Now we are going to download it. Here is the download option. So once it will be downloaded successfully, then we will go on the next homepage and there is Sondo AI song into visual. So now we are going to convert that audio song we have made from the lyrics into video. So here you can also select a song. So we are going to click on the upload option as we have downloaded right now and there is the song. I am going to select and once it will be given here you can see successfully. I am going to somehow crop. And next you can also choose here what the AI model a character on that visual you want. Here I'm going to select this one. You can also upload your also want to like here is also upload option. We are going to click on it and there is also my own model I am going to using and then you will see the next detail. So here is also any description. So I am going to write here. So here you can easily describe what type of video you want from that music. And here is also another option that you can easily choose if you go for it. And like here is equals for you. This is the title of our song. Here is the entre name we can easily give here like Ramon. And then you can also choose here and this scale like this should be 16:9. Lyrics on watermark everything we can easily choose. So now we are going to click on this generate scripted and go for our visual. There's a deep thinking put the Sondo AI agent. Now you can also check first it will analyze the song. Their understanding emotion we have shared the song. There is conceiving the idea and storyline in progress and after that the artwork will be shown. After all the process, there is also now how it looks with the theme we are going to create. And now we are going to go for final product and final step. That is to design in progress within 5 minutes the output will be on screen. You can check out the final product is really crazy and you can now see on this crane tier. And because we can easily do all the process on the Sondo AI there you can also check out everything is perfectly designed. You just need to come on it. In this way you can also create your best music too. And we can easily click on it if you want to download. This can also be downloaded and you can also share to your friends, enjoy with them. And you can make your next journey with Sondo AI where your music can be created with AI Audio Lab. And Sondo AI is going to making that lyrics into Visio. So here are some more how template too. You can use it now. There are some new songs. You can also use that. If you have any question or query you can ask in our comments too. Because you are also going to invite your friends too. If you want to get some more opportunities here, there are many tasks. You can easily copy this link, share to your friends, invite them, make team. And you can also tell me in the comment box what type of content you are going to create using the Sondo AI. And thanks for watching too. She clutchings and fundo, it feels your tut. Each lamppost casts shadows of the past. Her heart beats where your laughter once flashed. Under the moonlight she wanders alone. Memories of you, they echo like moons. Every corner reminds her of your smile. In the silenced whispers, though you still prevail. Echoes of you In the evening light memories lane.